translations. So you are looking at Cartesian plane. You will always look at Cartesian plane. And now I am going to translate this triangle. Let's write it down. Translate 5, 3. What does 5, 3 means? First number 5 means how much change you will see on the X line. And the second number, you guys know that that means Y, but in this case, because it has the T letter in front of it, that means translation. You will see, that means the number Y, 3, means how much change you will see in the Y axis. So, what do I mean with that? You will take this triangle, you will change on the X line 5 units. But which way? Should I go this way? Should I go that way? I can go both ways. I am going this way. The reason is I'm looking at 5. I am not looking at -5. If it's negative numbers are there, I have to go that way. So 3 units. This is mine at -4. 3 units, no, 5 units, I'm sorry. I will go 5 units to the right. That means I will reach the X, Y. How? Just pick a corner. That's the trick. Pick a corner. You will either pick, there are 3 corners here, right? You will either pick this corner, or pick this, or pick that. You won't make mistake. It doesn't matter which one you pick. Just pick a corner. So I am picking this, and that is at -5. So go 5 units there. That means I have to be on the 0 line for X. So let's do that. Exactly the same. So I'm not changing anything. I'm just moving it. Okay. That's good. So I translate it from wherever it is to the 5 units to the right, because it's positive 5. Now I'm looking at, there is Y as well. There is a number there. Maybe sometimes you will see this number being 0. Means don't make any change with the Y. But right now that is not 0. That is +3. Positive numbers are up there. So I'm gonna translate 3 units to the up. So right now I'm gonna pick up that point before I pick up. It doesn't matter which one you picked. It passes through from 6, 3 units up. It will be passing through 9. So the red triangle translated from wherever the position is to 5 and 3. Now let's do one more example. This time let's do -3, 4. So this time I'm gonna pick this corner, and I know that corner is supposed to go 3 units, not that way, to the left, and then I'm gonna go up 4 units. So 3 units. This is standing at -7. So -7. I need to go 3 units to the left. That will mean -10. And I will be going, that is around the 7. So I will be going So far I am here. I will be going 4 units to the top. So that's 7 plus 4 is 11, and 11 is somewhere there. So that corner I am talking about supposed to be right there. So let's clear this. So this red triangle will be moved to 11. This corner is supposed to be at 11 and 10. So I just did that. Let's do one more example. As you can see, there are more triangles here. I wanted to make sure you see the original one. Oops, there are just 4. You see where the triangle is originated. But let's do one more example. This time, let's do a positive number, 2, and let's do a negative number, -2. As I said, it doesn't matter which corner you pick. This time I'm going to pick that corner, and this corner I'm going to move it -3 to the left. I'm sorry, where am I looking? 2 to the right, 2 units to down. So that is standing at -3. It will mean -1. It will come down to -1, and I'll go 2 units down. From 5, I'll go down to 3. So that corner is supposed to be here. So let's do that. In this example, as you can see, the 2 shapes are almost inside each other. They do touch each other, but there is nothing wrong with this answer. So now, let's do the other way around. So now when you look at your homework, it will ask you to apply the translations, but at the back, it already translated. I just need you to figure out the rule. Find out the rule, how it was translated. Now, let's talk about the last example. Please watch this part carefully. The last example. Just pick a corner, doesn't matter which. And I'm going to pick this corner this time. I'm going to pick that corner as well, because that's the responding side, the responding corner. So now let's look at the change. The change is you go 2 units to the right. That means x is 2, not -2, because you are going to the right. And you are not going up. Otherwise, you would write down a positive number. You are going down 2 units. You are going down 2 units. That's the rule. And we already know this because that's what we did. I'm just giving you an example to figure out how you can come up with the rule, transformation rule. Now let's practice.